Yo, yep. There we go. Yep. There we go. There we go. Y'all can hear me now on YouTube. Am I correct? There we go. Yeah, hit the like button if y'all can. Thank you. Sound work on YouTube. All right, we back in. We back in. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. How we doing out there? Y'all already know what time it is. It's the Bitcoin Block Bully coming to you once again with an early rising show with coffee and crypto, where we're gonna go through, price action, maybe top 20, maybe top 10, maybe top 20 coins. Look at a little bit of news, see what they're talking about. If they're gonna let us read the news, that is. Oh, hold on. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. And just see really what's going on in the market. Get a little bit of commentary from everybody. I hope everybody out there is all well. I hope you're having a good Friday. It is a rainy one out here in Chicago right now. It's crazy trying to type with my left hand and I'm right-handed. But let's see what they got going on with the news. Let me see. Cardano joins central bankers. Hey, so check it out. Check it out, right? I don't even know what Cardano is. It doesn't matter. But they joined the central bankers in doubting cryptocurrency. Look who's doubting it. The central bankers. Why would they doubt cryptocurrency? Because cryptocurrency cuts out the central bank. We understand it. We understand this, what cryptocurrency does and how it affects those that are those intermediaries or those counterparties in between. You know what I'm saying? So let me see. Coins like Ethereum are going to be a lot higher. Are going to be a lot higher way down the road, market forecaster Jim Bianco says. Let's see. They go on to state, if you can cope with sharp drops in the cryptocurrency space, market forecaster Jim Bianco believes it will ultimately pay off in spades. Some of these coins like Ethereum are going to be a lot higher way down the road. And I've said this, I shared this sentiment 2 years ago, 3 years ago, specifically 2 years ago when I was first getting into decentralized finance and Ethereum was trading at somewhere around $80, $100. And I was like, man, if this is what they're building over here, and this is what we got, man, this is definitely a asset that individuals need to or should look into. Let me say that. This is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. Please don't take anything that I say as financial advice because it's not. Yeah, going on with the article, it says some of these coins like Ethereum are going to go way higher down the road, but you're going to have to stomach through much more of what we saw in last week's coming in the next several months or year or so. And let me speak about this, right? Let's talk about real quick. Let's talk about support, resistance, downtrend, and are you really getting hurt by these downtrends or not, right? Let's talk about, are you really getting hit in these downtrends? Now, I'm going to be honest with you. For those that do come to the ball game late, when we have these big downtrends, come on, family, it's not affecting people like they try to like, oh my God, Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick, right? Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. Let's look at this on a monthly real quick. Just real quick on a monthly. Let me put something in perspective for people that have never seen it put into perspective like this. Let me refresh. All right, so this is Bitcoin on a monthly chart, right? This is 2021 right here. Let me see. 2021, we come in. That's only what? It's only been 5 months. No, we're going on 6 months now, right? Right now, you actually had the potential to get back in where we started off at the beginning of the month. Right back here. You see how we retested this area? You know what I'm saying? See how we're retesting this area? And what do I always say about these moving averages? You tend to come back and retest these moving averages. So when you get far and extended like this, I always look for a pullback, especially when we get overexcited. You know what I mean? But if we look at the last 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, just 1 year, right? If you've been involved in cryptocurrency for 365 days, there's no way in hell that these downturns are affecting you in any way possible. The only people that this is hurting are people that bought all the way up here at the top and FOMO'd in. Those are the only people that this should be hurting. If you bought within a year span, these downturns don't affect you in any way, shape, or form. I don't know what the griping is about, what they talk about. And it's funny, right? You can see, and this is how you know that they deflecting when we look at listen to CNBC, MSNBC, any type of like mainstream media. Something could go up 1,000%, 1,000%, right? You put in $100, you put in $1, you got $1,000 now. You put in $100, you got $100,000 now, right? And it can have a 50% pullback, meaning your 100,000 just went to 50,000. And they'll, oh my God, the market is done, the insanity. And it's like, what? I'm still up 50K. Like, what are you talking about? It only affects people that bought at the top. I want y'all to be able to understand that. So even with this pullback that they're saying is this, that, and the third, it's not that. It's not working on YouTube. Hold on, let me go to let me check it out. Somebody said it's not working on YouTube. Let me see something real quick. Still don't hear nothing but my phone been. Hey, let me know if y'all can hear me on YouTube. They saying that some people saying they can hear, some people saying they can't hear. Still don't hear nothing. Sound going in and out. Okay, sound going in and out. Let me see. Let me try to and I do apologize for the audio quality on YouTube right now. Let me close down some of what I have open real quick. And hopefully that will take care of the possible noise problem that they're receiving over on YouTube. Let me know if I'm coming through clearly on YouTube now. Let me know if I'm coming through clearly on YouTube. Okay, we hear you. Peace King, I can hear you. Peace, 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 Queen. How's everybody doing? I can hear you fine. YouTube is good. That's their computer. Oh, okay. All right. It was going in and out, but you're clear now. Cool, 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 cool. We can keep it moving. The market just went on sale. Yeah, definitely the market went on sale. Hey, but more so than just the market, right? You know what else went on sale? Collectibles. I'm talking about real estate, art, music, just the whole metaverse. If you're looking for wearables, meaning that items that individuals can purchase and put on their person within these metaverse worlds, that's really been my main focus. In fact, let me show y'all a little bit of something of let's get through the basics first. Let's get through the basics. Real quick article, you know what I'm saying, and then we'll get to the top 10 coins. He believes cryptocurrency is successfully remaking the financial system. There's got a lot. That's got a lot of promise, and that's really what's significant. He said the problem is that other driver is kind of an out of control casino with people betting on these coins going in and up, and that's the problem. Therein lies the problem. Instead of you betting on the tech, right, and utilizing, now listen, betting on tech is using fundamentals. Betting on up and down, you should be using technical analysis, right? Now, what I do is I bet on the tech, but I use the technical analysis in order to gauge my investment. Meaning, just because the tech sounds and looks good does not mean I'm just going to dump money on it if it's got a shit chart. You understand what I mean? If prices is just dumping down, I'm not just going to invest in it, family. I don't give two shits what the project is doing, how good it is, if it's the next this, the next that. I'm not putting my money in something that does not have a solid chart at the end of the day. I use the fundamental analysis and keep that in my subliminal so I always know what's going on with the project. But then I let the charts speak for me and tell me when to enter and when to exit position. Can't hear you now. So now they can't hear me. Hold on. May just have to kill YouTube. I don't know what's going on. I can hear you. Fundamentals and technicals hand in hand. Can y'all hear me on YouTube? Or can y'all not hear me over here on can y'all not hear me over here on Instagram? Hold on, let me see something. Yes, you're good. YouTube is fine. Nah, don't kill YouTube. Oh, okay. All right. All right. We all will. We all will. So, where did I leave off at? All right. Fundamentals and technical, right? Technical analysis tells me when to invest. Fundamental tells me what I'm investing in. Let me say that again. Technical analysis tells me when to invest. Fundamentals tell me what I'm investing in. A lot of people are, I'm gonna tell you what a lot of people are doing coming to the table, right? When we had the whole thing going on with Doge and with Shipbu, Shinibu, or whatever the hell it was, and all these other meme coins, you literally had people not giving two fucks about the technicals or the fundamentals. Nobody asked me, what is this coin? Nobody. Nobody said, hey, what is it? What does it do? Nobody asked me, what does the chart look like on these coins? Everybody asked me how to get them. That was the main question when all this thing was running up, which, you're down X amount, whatever it is now. But nobody asked me what these coins were, what their function was, how does it look on the chart. It was all, how do I get, how do I get, how do I get? That was the main focus of everybody when all this running was going. And I'm going to tell you something, that's how you're going to get hurt the most in this space. Like what we're seeing right now, this little drop where everybody was like, bull, bull, bull. I was saying, wait, wait, wait. You need to fall back and really take a look at what's going on in front of you because it really ain't what it seems to be. You get what I mean? Okay, I got you. I'm gonna send that to you then. I got you. I'm be going. It's Friday too, so I'll be going through my emails and whatnot. All my emails, my DMs. Let me apologize to Facebook for anybody here that's on Facebook. I don't use Facebook no more. I just got my messages going directly from Instagram to Facebook. So I got a lot of comments on Facebook. I don't answer a lot of messages over there. I haven't been answering, but I'm gonna try to go through my Facebook later on today, as well as any other DMs and anything. And I'm gonna try to get an automated like message system put together so it'll be easier for me to communicate with everybody. Because like I said, it's hard as hell trying to do all this and still do what I need to do. But anyways, right? Anyways, I forgot where I was going with it. It don't matter. Let's finish off with the article. Bianco warns that the coins are extremely vulnerable to 50 to 70% declines at any moment because it's still a new technology, right? He said once the adoption phase is over and crypto has a fundamental role in the real economy, prices overall will be vastly higher. But it could cost investors who bailed during the asset's formative years. Those that are dumping right now when the prices are going down because they're thinking that it's over or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Um, and what I leave off at? Oh, that means from the point forward, the gains will be a lot less, Bianco said. The risk and the reward is now you'll have less risk and less reward once it gets adopted and volatility slows down. Do you hear what he's saying? What does that mean? That means once all this is in mainstream, see, this is the thing. I'm gonna tell y'all something. People think that the prices are gonna go crazy when it gets mainstream. I'm gonna tell you something. When it gets mainstream, prices are gonna settle down. Because when it gets mainstream, it's going to be a lot more regulated. You're not going to have this Wild West rodeo you have going on right now. But damn near guarantee it. In fact, let me send this out to some of my homies, man. I know they probably want to slide in here. Let me hit some people. Let them know I'm live in here. Hold on real quick, fam. I forgot to send this out. I totally forgot to send this out. There we go. All right, there we go. Sent that out. Wait, failure send. Why? Oh, okay. Let's see. Just sending this out real quick on IG. Hopefully it sends everywhere. Yep, there we go. Nice. Nice. Bam, bam. All right, cool. So just sending it out to a couple of people, letting them know that I'm live. All right. So when mainstream comes, right, it's gonna slow prices down, family. It ain't gonna be like it is right now. You're not gonna be seeing 1,000% gains when a couple 100 million, almost a billion, something. You got to think about how many people are in it right now and how the money spreads out and how it's a bunch of money in here and only a few people. It's a lot more money to go around for us. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot more money to go around for us. When that changes, you're not going to get what you're getting right now. As an example, Bitcoin. People are all about, you got some Bitcoin maximalists talking about, hey, you should only buy Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. Now I'm gonna say this. You should. Let me not say what you should do. Um, an individual, right? If they are interested in the future of finances and where this thing is going, right? And you have an inkling that cryptocurrency may be that new frontier of the future, then you may want to accumulate X amount of BTC as well as other digital assets along with it, right? But if you're looking at being able to grow wealth in that has been denominated in dollar amounts, you're not going to get those gains out of Bitcoin right now. What do I mean by that? Right? Right now, with Bitcoin being, we'll say $35,000, right? Bitcoin could go to 70,000. That's only a 100% return. Only a 100% return. Whereas the pullbacks we've seen on a lot of these other currencies, if you were to see them retrace and go back to where they were, I'm talking about 200-300%, 600-700%. Don't get to talking about the bull tokens. Now you're talking about 15 and 2,500% returns. You get what I mean? Get what I mean? What site? That's CNBC. That's the article I'm reading. That's the article I'm reading, CNBC right now. Yep. Happy Holy Day, Moors. You send donation for chart reading. I'm gonna be sending the chart reading videos out today. For those that sent, if you sent the video for chart reading video, I mean, if you sent the donation for the chart reading video, I'm gonna be sending that out today. Then I don't know who that is trying to come in on my live. I don't know if I'm gonna be having people come in. Any guy? Let me see. Let me see who this is. Give me 1 second. Let me try to pinpoint who this is trying to come in on the live. Let me see. May allow people to come in and ask some questions. We may do that in a minute. We may be able to do that in a minute. Why does it keep pausing on me though? I booked your course in June. Ah, okay. All right. How much to donate for the chart reading? The chart reading video is only $50. Chart reading video is only $50. $50 donation. Any tips on how to know where to get in early on altcoins? Through research. That's it. Through research. I don't know about any pump groups. I don't do that shit. I just research. That's how I get in early on my coins. I just research. But and I got a couple of different chart reading videos. One is the basics, meaning how do you get your trading view chart set up, and then the basics of what is candlesticks, what is support, what is resistance, and then I got more technical ones where I go into how to use the moving averages, how to use the Fibonacci retracement. But if you don't know what a candlestick is, don't worry about what Fibonacci and a moving average is. You get what I'm saying? Where do we sign up? Hit the link in my bio if you want those videos. Hit the link in my bio. Send me an email. I'll be going through my emails today. But anyways, let me get on with this. Let me get on with this. Let me see. Bianco, who has owned a basket of digital coins since 2017, like myself, said he resists actively trading them. He often buys or sells them about once or twice a year. He owns Ethereum, but not Bitcoin. Interesting. He suggests it's also key to have exposure to crypto because the space is showing more ties to other risk assets, including stocks. This wasn't the case 3 or 4 years ago, but it is the case now, Bianco said. If we were to get higher financial market volatility, either in the stock market like the VIX index, that could help bolster the cryptocurrency space as a belief. Yes, we need a new fix, and this is the fix. So that's what they're saying on CNBC right now. Let's take a look at the pictograph, see what's going on in the market. Heat map. Right now, it is a bloody Monday. No, it's not Monday. Friday. There we go. Bloody Friday. Bloody Friday. Look at the dominance at a 44%, 44.15, but still at a 44% on the dominance. If they watch your YouTube channel, they can learn. Oh yeah, you can learn a shit ton on my YouTube channel. Real talk. But let's real quick, right? Let's look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies, see what the stats are, see what the prices are. So coming in at number one, you got Big Bank Hank Bitcoin. Well, now number one, let's look at our market cap. So as of right now, you got about 7,566 acknowledged cryptocurrencies trading across 475 different exchange markets. There's over 1,676,847,272,208 within the market. Now, right now, we've lost 6.4% of that $1.6 trillion. Right, the 24-hour trading volume right now is 204,647,361,349 coming in at number one. You got Big Bank Hank Bitcoin trading at 37,073.99, up 1.4% within the last hour. Let me see, can y'all see that? Let me stretch it back a little bit. There we go. I want to make sure y'all can see this pretty clearly. Yeah, I ain't did coffee and crypto in a couple years, bro. Yeah, it's Friday. I know. Definitely Juma. Alhamdulillah. What was that? Coming in number two, you got Ethereum, number two cryptocurrency in the world, trading at $2,612, up 1.7% within the last hour, though it's down 8.8% in the last 24, 6.4% within the last 7 days. Coming in at number three, you got the cryptocurrency equivalent to the United States dollar Tether. Coming in at number four, you got Binance BNB, which is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance exchange market. Also, it does have its own Binance chain with a Binance Smart Chain side network that allows for smart contracts to be ran. It is coming in at $342, down from what, over $600 right now. Down from over $600. You had about a 50% discount with a lot of these assets. Up 3.1% within the last hour, down 11.5% within the last 24, 12.7% within the last 7 days. Coming in number five, you got Cardano, also known as ADA, trading at $1.58, up 2% within the last hour, down 9.8% within the last 24, 12.4% within the last 7 days. Coming in number six, you got XRP, which is under the company umbrella as Ripple, trading at 91 cents, under $1 now. Under $1. Does anybody remember where I said the stop limit should be put on XRP? Anybody remember where I said put the stop limit on XRP? Anybody? Go back and watch. Right now, up 2.3% within the last hour, down 11.6% within the last 24, down 22.9% within the last 7 days. Coming in number seven, we got Dogecoin, also known as Doji, trading at 31 cents, down from that all-time high of 70. And I want to say something about tribalism and about mental manipulation and about mental manipulation through the media, right? Don't get caught up in these mantras, right? Around the time that Elon Musk was supposed to be going live, and they had this mantra of Doge to $1, Doge to $1, Doge to $1. You're gonna get caught up in that shit and go to Doge to $1 and die with it. I'm telling you, don't get caught up in the mantras. Don't follow the herd. In fact, the herd mentality is the worst thing to have in this. Often you want to do the opposite of what the herd is doing. How do you put a stop loss on cryptos on an exchange market, my friend? On an exchange market. But yeah, you get caught up in the mantras of Doge to $1, and I laugh at this shit. Like, not laugh, but it is funny, but it's not, because people get hurt behind it. But it's like when people come to a market and they have really no idea what they're doing, and they try to tell you like, well, no, Elon Musk is behind it. This is going to $1 because of this, that, and the third. And it's like, look, bro, there's a lot more going on here than what you know within the last 2, 3 weeks, 2, 3 months that you've been here. You know what I mean? And people really got to sit back and comprehend that it ain't always what it seems to be. You get what I'm saying? It definitely ain't always what it seems to be. But anyways, I digress. Going on to number 8, we got Polkadot, also known as DOT, trading at 23.08, down 6.2% up 6.2% within the last hour, down 4.2% within the last 24, down 20.6% within the last 7 days. Coming in at number 9, you have another stable coin, US dollar-backed coin, also known as USD, US dollar coin. Coming in at number 10, you got ICP, Internet Computer, coming in at $123, right? Up 4.1% within the last 24 hours, down 12.9% within the last 24. No, up 4.1% within the last hour, down 12.9% within the last 24, down 25.6% within the last 7 days. Brother Riley, what's going on, broski? I'm gonna have to holler at you in a minute. I like them. Them was nice. Thank you. I need some chocolate too, bro. Hey, I'm gonna put it. Well, now, can I put it out there, bro? Your services, as far as the chocolates and whatnot go, the edibles, because it's definitely needed in the community, especially the hood. For those that are interested in the psychedelic edibles, you may want to reach out to brother HSP Riley, personal friend, not a YouTube friend, not a IG friend, personal friend from the shaft. So he definitely somebody to tap in with. You know, to for those that want to heal trauma. This ain't that type of video, but for those who want to do any type of healing, man, you can do it using certain medicinals. And that brother has some of those certain medicinals that I myself use. So put it out there real quick. But anyways, going back into this, coming in number 11, we got Uniswap trading at $27.94, up 3.2% within the last hour, down 5.3% within the last 24. But check this out, it's up 5.8% within the last 7 days. Uniswap actually going against the market here, going against the grain. Coming in number 12, we got Bitcoin Cash trading at $702, up 1.8% within the last 24, down 10.2% within the last. Let me slow down. Up 1.8% within the last hour, down 10.2% within the last 24, down 14.1% within the last 7 days. Oh, I just plugged you, brother Riley. I better get a surprise kit in the mail or something. I better get a surprise one of them gift bags in the mail. Nah, I'm playing with you though. But you know, spread the wealth, man. Support black businesses, especially those you know. Coming in at where we at? Number 14, Polygon, also known as Matic, $1.99, up 5.2 within the last hour, down 8.5 within the last 24, up 8.6% within the last 7 days. Coming in at number 15, we got Litecoin Ltc, trading at $179, up 2.1% within the last hour, down 13.3% within the last 24. In the last 7 days, you're down 15.1%. Coming in at number 16, you got Stellar Lumens, also known as XLM, only trading at 39 cents. And for those that don't know, Stellar Lumens is like a competitor to XRP. If you didn't know that, do your research. They pulled a classic Wyckoff on Bitcoin. Hey, I'm gonna tell you something. I mean, I don't know what your background is, but it'd be a lot of people throwing these names around like, oh, they did this, they did that. Do you know what Wyckoff is, bro? Can you like break down what Wyckoff is? Because I see a lot of people saying they pulled a Wyckoff on Bitcoin. It was just bullish divergence to me. That's how I knew the price was going to go down. All that XYP, the X to the Y to Z, the 1 to the 2, 3 down wave, and this wave and that wave, that shit means little to me. Just curious though, just because a lot of people be like, hey, man, they said that XRP is a cross-border payment system. I'm like, what's a cross-border payment system, bro? They're like, oh, and they can't explain it. You know what I mean? So just always remember, family, comprehension over compensation. That's all I want to say. Coming in at number 17, we got Ethereum Classic trading at $71. And man, this shit is crazy what Ethereum Classic is. Ethereum Classic was basically on the flow, super on the flow. It's crazy where it is now. $71.64, up 4.4% within the last hour, down 7.5% within the last 24, down 3% within the last 7 days. Now, coming in number 18, you got another stable coin, Binance USD. Coming in number 19, right? An asset that I've started to dollar cost average into myself, right? Which is Solana, right? Coming in number $31.62, up 3.8% within the last hour, down 8.9% within the last 24, down 29% within the last 7 days. Also, I want y'all to know something. Also, it's never no one thing. So just like it was bullish divergence, it was Wyckoff. Just like it was Wyckoff, it was a rejection on the moving average. Just like it was this, it was that. There's never no one answer to none of this stuff. So don't think that any one person has the answer, not even me. I want y'all to really, really take that into consideration. Nobody in this space has the answer. There's never one answer. The market did not drop solely because of Elon Musk. The market did not drop solely because of bearish divergence. The market did not drop solely because of Wyckoff. I need y'all to really understand that and comprehend that. Nobody over here has all the answers. Nobody. You know what I'm saying? Only person that can get all the answers is you. And then coming in last but not least, coming in number 20, we got VeChain VAT trading at 11 cents, up 4.3% within the last hour, down 12.1% within the last 24, 12.0% within the last 7 days. Let me check in on YouTube. I haven't been over here in a while. What is ETC and other Ethereum projects? Wait, what? What is ETC and other Ethereum projects? Are they connected at all? Not really. Ethereum is the fork of Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic Ethereum Classic is actually the original Ethereum. Oh, they looking for HSP Riley in YouTube. Riley, you may want to go to YouTube and go holler at them. They're looking for you in YouTube. They're looking for you on YouTube, bro. Wait, what did somebody say? I didn't dislike the video. I don't care if y'all dislike the video or like the video. I'm gonna do what I do and keep it pushing, man. But anyways, let's move on. Let me show y'all a couple of things I've been working on in here. Let's see if we go to our parcels. You can see we have the Alhambra Palace, we have Al Andalus, right? We got the New Money Matrix Tower, right? Just a couple of things that we're working on right now. In fact, I actually just added the Velvet Room. And then somebody hated on my Velvet Room. I'm gonna show you. AJ Crypto. Check it out. Somebody hated on the Velvet Room, bro. They put something. Look at this. Maybe they moved it. Nope. Look, they put a big old block in front of the Velvet Room, so you can't even get in there now. You see how they hated on me? It's all good. I'm gonna go around. I made a little side door right there on the side where you see it, but they blocked the entrance to the Velvet Room, bro. And put, hold on. There we go. And put lick on some funny shit. Hold on real quick. Yeah, somebody hated on one of my virtual reality properties in here. Somebody hated on one of my virtual reality properties. But let's go ahead and visit it anyways. Because I just put a historical video in here. Because they own the property in front of it. They own the property in front of it. That's how they can do that. They own the property in front of it. It's all well though. I went ahead and made my own little door. So let me see. Go right around over here. That way I can show you sort of. And this looks cold on the Oculus. For anybody that deals with the Oculus, this is cold on the Oculus. Go around this corner right here. You can see where I got a couple of advertisements. I got, and that's why I tell y'all got to buy y'all names because I bought these individuals' names, so they're mine now. I got these to sell. Got a couple of domain names that I can sell within here. Just like a little one, just playing around, making a little store real quick in the metaverse. Just playing around, making a little store real quick in the metaverse. So now we're gonna move around. We're gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna show y'all. I just added a new video up here. Just added a new video up here. And I'm moving kind of bit by bit because I'm trying to do this with one hand. I need to go get me a controller and do all this. That's what I'm gonna do. In fact, you know what I figured out about Decentraland? You can play Decentraland. I figured this out, demoing with my son. You can play Decentraland with an Xbox controller. You can play Decentraland with an Xbox controller. Did y'all see that what I got on the wall? Y'all see that? Know the Ledge Media. Money Mitch Mondays, Monday, February 11, 2019. Family, this is the first video that I did being introduced to the conscious community. You can come into the Velvet Room and watch this in real time right now. In fact, let's go ahead and click on it. See Brother Red Pill? No, Brother Blue Pill. He is live. Yeah, the Oculus can connect. I can go in the Oculus and watch this in the Oculus. Yes, sir. So, fam, I'm talking about we can set up theaters, boom boom rooms, brothels. Like, it's so much what you can do in this space. You can put whatever you want on the blockchain. You can put whatever you want on the blockchain, beloved. Know that. Let me do this. Let me go back up here. Let me go to my parcel page. Let's take a look at another infrastructure that I'm currently building on. Another infrastructure I'm currently working on. Yeah, they hated on me, man. That's crazy. It's all well though. Let's go to the Alhambra Palace. San Francisco, and I'm in the suburb of Mars. Now Mars is my planet. You know I'm an Aries. That's interesting. 744 West is the location. Teleport. Bam. All right, so let's go. Go check this. Let's go check this out real quick. I'll show you what the infrastructure looks like here in a minute as well. The name of the platform with my art exhibit. This is the same platform right here. This is Crypto Voxels. Now this is in the metaverse. And let me show you what they did. It's kind of funny. Kind of funny what they did. Hold on. We turn around and we take a look. This is my building right here. Right, it's a 3-story, no, 4-story infrastructure right now. I just started putting different stories in it. Just started putting different stories in it. I bought this whole infrastructure on the dip. This is what I was doing on the dip, y'all. I bought this whole infrastructure, the high rise, and then this is the theater building right here that you're in right now that has the Rise of the Moors playing right now. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to understand, family. This coming from a dude who does not play video games. Remember, in and out of prison system, in and out the streets. And this is what I'm doing now. So this ain't no you had to came up with this type of background, that type of background. The nerds is winning right now. You might as well make the transition, family and friends. The nerds is definitely winning right now. Let's take a look at price action though. Let's get to this support and resistance. Let's take a look and see what's going on. Now, for those that are going to be present June 6th, if you don't know, I'm having another class with Black Magic 363. Follow him on IG, send him a request. He has the link to join. I think it's on Eventbrite. Let me see if I can get the. Damn, I should have had the plugger. I should have had him send me the plugger. But nah, when y'all check in on the 6th, I got something for y'all as far as the metaverse. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm really, really doing over here. You know, little inside stuff. Certain things I'm working on, certain things I haven't, disclosed to anybody. And I'm gonna walk y'all through some steps. Really some key steps. You know what I mean? But yeah, June 6th, it's all about the metaverse and banking. Yep, NFTs are on sale right now. So are these buildings and design limited to blocks? Those ones are, yes. NFTs are seeing an uptick. Yeah, it's definitely another world. All right, so let's see what's going on over here with price. Let's see what's going on with price. Let's get rid of all that noise real quick. We're looking at Bitcoin right now on the weekly, which Bitcoin did come back down to retest your 50-day moving average on the weekly. Right now, you are holding support. We do have 2 days left within this weekly candlestick. As of right now, 20-day is being treated as resistance, weighing down. You do have negative momentum showing out on the MACD, no signs of a reversal as of yet. And you do not have any type of bullish divergence showing on your RSI. Now, this is on a weekly. If we break this down to a daily, right, what are we looking at now? Well, we had a chance to break back above this blue 200-day exponential moving average within the last couple of 24 hours. We failed to do that. So now what's going to happen? Usually you get broke back down. Now, what have I been saying that I've been looking for, family? For anybody that's been following me, what I've been looking for? Bullish divergence on the daily. What does that mean? That means I want to come and make a lower high right? In fact, I got everything here already. Let me get rid of that. There we go. So this is what I'm expecting to happen, right? And I really just drew it in myself. This is what I'm expecting to happen. I want to make a higher low, right, on my oscillator. But then on price, this is what I'm. I got everything drew out too. I promise y'all, I'll be going all in. This is what I'm looking to happen. I put this here. This is what I'm looking to happen. I need a lower low. I need a lower low on price. Now remember, let's just remember this is here, family. When all this plays out, however it plays out, I may be wrong. I'm not even gonna say that I'm right. I'll just say that I was fortunate enough to be able to see and mimic what happened. You know what I'm saying? I don't even like saying it's right or wrong, but let's see if this plays out. Because this is what I'm waiting for. Everyone else is saying, hey, buy the dip, buy the dip. They were saying buy the dip up here when it was at resistance. My thing is I'm waiting for another pullback. You have to use Meta for this platform, not for TradingView, no. You like Floyd Weather MFT, NFT. I don't know what the hell Floyd Weather's NFT is, and I probably wouldn't buy it. Yeah, you can make games in this world. Where do you buy NFTs? OpenSea. But this is what I'm looking for right now. So as of right now, you're being rejected by your 236 within your Fib retracement line right there, right? And now look, I already got my order all set up. I got my whole order already set up. Let me open this up for y'all. Give y'all a little sneak peek. Well, whatever's gonna happen, I already got all my orders set up. I'm looking for it to come down, bounce, catch me an entry somewhere around 33,000, right? I'm being transparent with y'all right now. A lot of people don't do this shit. A lot of people like, hey, join my private class and I will make you a diamond trader within a week. That's BS. But anyways, right now that's what I'm looking for. Entry right about here. And then if we can break our previous high, I'm looking for our next move to push us to about $84,147. Once again, it's $84,147. Yeah, crypto boxes. I know what you was referring to. Yeah, you can only build boxes on it. I think that's what you asked. You have to use Meta for this platform. Oh yeah, crypto boxes definitely. Wait, that's what I'm looking for out of Bitcoin, Ethereum. Look, we failed. We failed this little. I seen what could have been. Let me open this up real quick. This is why I always say, family, I put perimeters on anything that I'm doing. I put like guidelines on it, right? So here, right, we had a possible head and shoulders pattern, possible breakout back up to 3,600, right? Now what happened is that we broke our neckline, we bounced, but now look what's happening, right? So as you're bouncing here, if you look at your RSI, you're actually getting lower highs here. So now you're building what is known as bullish divergence, right? And then it broke you back down. So, but now the interesting thing or the positive thing about this is that you're holding above your support level here, right? So now you got support around 2371, which if this holds, this could probably pop you back up. So now what do? Well, you go back to the drawing board. You get rid of all this, right? This is what I do anyways. I can't speak for anybody else. That's what I do. Go back to the drawing board, every retracement, pull it down once again. Let's see. Body. There we go. There we go. It's that body. All right, so we failed to cross over our 382. That's what happened. You failed to cross the 382, and now you're breaking back down below the 236. If you can't gain control or territory right here above the 236, if you break down below this daily right here, what's this? What was your low? 2386 and 2386. 2386 is your last stronghold before you come down to prices around 2180 and then 1900 again. So right now, what are you waiting for on Ethereum? You're waiting to regain this red line. I'm not even gonna make it all technical. You're looking to regain support at this red line and then break resistance at this yellow line and then make it up to this green line, probably come back and back test this previous resistance as support on the yellow line and then break the green line, go to the turquoise line, come back, retest, see if you can hold support at the green line, break the turquoise line, and it's just, it's a system. It's a system. But what I'm interested in right now? Let's actually take a look at XLM. Let's actually take a look at XLM. Let me see. Where is the weekly? Open this up. Daily. 4 hour. There we go. And see, this is why we set stop limits. This is why, if anyone take my class, this is exactly why we set stop limits, right? Now, we had entry, we had profit, but then it broke back down. This is another reason why I say you should raise your stop limits, right? So this right here would have had you knocked out, and right now you'd be able to enter at a lower price. You would have left with minimum risk. Now, I'm not letting anybody come in my live right now, so you don't got to keep a question, especially nobody I don't know, never talked to before. Yeah, so XLM breaking back down, but let's take a look at another. Let's take a look at another one. Take a look at XLM USD. Let's do Bitfinex. Here we go. Here we go. Now on a larger scale, right? On a larger scale, this is going to be somewhere around 236, 382, but it may extend to the 786 because this is overextended. Let's see what we get here. It's going to hit a fib level though. See that? Pinprick your 618. Broke back above your 50. Now you're looking to hold rank above the 50 and exceed above the 382, right? Real easy like. Real easy like. Yep, got rid of that. I don't know what the hell that was they put on there, but I took that off. You don't advertise on here. I don't know what that link was. Here we go. So yeah, XLM looking at you if you want to hold up, but then you come down here. Now this is the thing, right? This is the thing. This is why you got to be able to look at everything. Because right here it's like, okay, we had our full 618 retracement. We ended up finding our support back above the 50. Okay, we should continue our rally, right? No. Why? Because if you look at the weekly MACD, you're just starting your negative momentum. Nothing's telling you what's going to turn around. You got to be able to look at a number of different things at one time in this space. Cake, I'm definitely interested in. Cake, I'm definitely interested in. More so than cake though. I'm gonna be honest with you, Kava. Kava down to 350 right now. Still holding some good gains. Still holding some good gains on Kava. Let's see. You're still above the 618. You're still above the 618 and holding. See if we can extend. Break back above your 50. Get your support there. And then you start breaking above 448 and 545. But until then, ain't nothing going on. How you get Kava? I'm gonna show you how to get any coin y'all want without showing you how to get that specific coin. But you just go to CoinGecko, right? Type in Kava, right? Go to Kava, scroll down, go to market. Then you look at all the markets that it sells it on. So you have Binance, BCC, Crypto.com, Huobi Global, BKX, Binance. Now, the reason there's Binance on here twice because you also have different currency pairs. So now you have Kava versus USDT on Binance. You also have Kava versus BTC on Binance. And you also have what? Kraken, Huobi Indonesia, Huobi Global, Crypto Tiger, MXC, Gate.io, Bilaxi, Who, Bicky One, blah, 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 blah. Ascendex, Bitmax. And then you got a couple of other ones. So Nah, I'm not doing. I ain't doing requests like that, family. Because if I do one request, everybody gonna start spamming it with coins, and they want me to look at this coin and that coin. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, the reciprocity for like just doing the coin request thing, y'all really need to go watch some of the European channels when they be doing like these technical analysis things. Man, the support them people get, the support they get, man, it'd be crazy. You know what I'm saying? 20 here, 50 here, 5 there, 10 there. It ain't even about the money, about the amounts. It's about the fact that people are willing to support them without them asking. Because I don't ask for donations. That's one thing I don't do. I don't ask for donations. But there's the ability of people to support them just for their skill and their craft. Hey, look, blah, 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 blah. That's the shit. You know what I'm saying? That we need a lot more in our space. And it's not just our race, but within this profession, a lot of the more what I'm gonna say is melanated technical analysts, they don't get the support like the other ones do. Just my humble opinion. For anybody that's ever watched them streams, man, I've seen them throw them people crazy money. And they come back to reciprocity for previous calls. I'm gonna tell you something. There's been a lot of people that's come in my inbox and say, "Hey, bro, I want to appreciate you. I made this, I made that, 5 racks, 10 racks, 20 racks." It's been very, very few people that came to us and like, "Hey, bro, what's your public address? What's your cash app? I'm about to send you something." Now I'm gonna tell you something. It's the people that don't tell me they made a lot of money that donate out the blue to me. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's the humble ones, the quiet ones. But those that gloat about how much bread they done made off me, y'all damn they don't throw a crumb back to a nigga, to be honest with you. But it's all well though. I don't really get too shit about it. Just voicing though. Just as far as like me starting to coin requests and just answer, nah. I really want to just make this general, look at a couple of coins that I'm interested in, you know what I'm saying, and then keep it pushing and moving for the rest of the day. It's already 10 a.m. right now. Badges. What's a badge? I don't know what a badge is. I've been following you from when you got on live with Kevin Gates, and you are very intellectual. Thanks, brother Mike Jones. Yeah, that was a monumental build with me and Kevin. That was a monumental build. For anybody that missed it, that was monumental. I like that. He real intelligent brother. Let me see what else do I want to take a look at here. Not just Kava. Oh, Red. I'm gonna put y'all up on some of the I'm gonna save some of these for brother Rich's build. But we got Rev up here already, so we can take a look at Rev real quick. Rev right now is 12 cents. The high was about 65 cents. Right now it's a 433% return. Love me D. I'm gonna check my DM as soon as I get done with this. I'm taking your class with Black Magic on June 6th. That's a pleasure. My baby Uma been dropping strong too. Yeah, everything dropping. Nah, it's real shit. Yeah, no reciprocity for real, for real. Nah, I'm not gonna say it's none. It's just not by the ones to tell you that they didn't the big talkers. They don't understand the level of the game. Blah blah blah. Yeah, yeah. So Rev definitely on my list. Definitely on my list on ones I got to double back around on. Let me see. BNB. So now let's compare things, right? You're looking at ETH versus BNB. ETH has smart contracts. BNB has smart contracts. But ADA, which is coming up, is supposed to have smart contracts. So now you got to compare the three. But then you slide in DOT and then Polygon and Matic, which Polygon and Matic is really just a layer 2 for Ethereum, right? I bought Pundi X in 2018. So did I. I bought Pundi X above a penny. I bought Pundi X above a penny. But think of it like this, right? If I was going to allocate, if I was looking for the market to turn around, now I was looking like, who do I want to allocate my money to? If I'm comparing Ethereum to BNB, probably be BNB. Why? Now, why? Because I can take the profits from BNB and go buy just as much Ethereum as I would have had, regardless if I would have caught the pump with Ethereum or not. Why? Because lesser valued coins have more of a price appreciation than their higher counterparts. Is Instadap the trusted bank to use for crypto? It's not a bank. Instadap is just a decentralized application. I mean, I've been using Instadap since 2018, or 2019, one of those. I don't know, but I've been using Instadap. I like the developers. I like the project. It's solid. Never had no hiccups. Never had no bumps. Never had a problem with them. Personally, my humble opinion. Take a look at ADA real quick. Let me see some sleepers. Not what I want to give up for the class though, because I'm gonna keep some of those for that. Ah, you know what individuals may want to be taking a look at right now? That automatic wealth accumulation. I don't know if anybody was able to see the um automatic wealth accumulation video I did. I think I put it on YouTube for free. I think I did. Oh, let me check YouTube. I've been ignoring the YouTube comments. I apologize, family. Let me go back over here and check YouTube real quick. You told me to grab BNB when it was $20. Hey, didn't I, Riley? Told you to snatch BNB up when it was a dub. 2020 twin. D. Riley, Amir told me when it was cheaper than that. Yeah, yeah. I listened to that podcast. Yeah, that's a good one. When are you coming to Dallas, King? I don't know. Brother Mike, we were on it back at $3. Yes, we were. Yes, we were. BNB at $3. Look up how to use moons. How do you use the moons in the chart? Yeah, you're gonna have to Google it. I can't tell you right now. How do you use the moon? Yeah, I'm not gonna go through it right now. That'd be a full out consultation. New Money Matrix family, please. Yep. Hope y'all keep up. Yada yada yada. I'm just going through my the messages over here on YouTube, IG family. Just want to make sure I don't leave anybody in the behind. But wealth accumulation automated is something y'all may want to check out. And man, this one right here, the play, 64 cents. Let me say this also. This is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. This is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. These are things that I'm interested in, family. You ain't got to go put money on none of this stuff. These are things that I myself are interested in. These are not signals. This is not, oh, the bully said it. Let me go buy it. That's another thing also. Family, when I post it, that doesn't mean automatically go buy it. Please don't. That means automatically go research it. Remember, with me, it's comprehension over compensation. So anything I'm posting it for you to research, not to buy. Is your class still closed? I'm opening up doing one-on-ones again in June. Right now, I don't have any availability until June 2nd. But you are able to schedule and start locking in those dates right now for June 2nd and beyond. I mean, the second week of June. That would be, I believe, June 7th is what I should have said. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, June 7th. The week of June 7th. That's my next availability. So y'all want them slots. And I know I'm not, I got some stuff to do in July. So I'm not gonna be that available. So June's gonna be a month where I go in. Also, I'm gonna be doing the burn, learn, and earns. I'm gonna attempt to do the burn, learn, and earn every single week in June. So if, brother Riley, you the only one that advertise on here with them. uh but brother Shake and Bake, if you want it, we turning it up in June, bro. We turning it up. But yeah, um, it's been an hour, family. I just wanted to go live for a quick hour. I appreciate everybody that was able to tune in and rock out with me for this hour right now. Oh yeah, June 6th, June 6th, June 6th. Reach out to Black Magic 363. Oh yeah, if you're coming down for the burn, learn, and earn, it's gonna be on Fridays. How do we do in the Discord? I just put a big old post on my IG. Whoop, hold on, let me pull that up real quick. I just put a big old post on my IG page, right? Oh, maybe I didn't. I thought I did. I put it on the other thing. I got to put it it's on the feed. But family, in order for you to be in my Discord, you have to take a minimum of 3 one-on-ones with me, not a group class. A minimum of 3 one-on-ones. I got to figure out who you is, what your goal, not your goal, but your motive is. You know what I'm saying? One thing I don't want on my Discord is shillers, and I don't want people to leak information. I've had agents in the past take my information, resell it. So I screen everybody that wants to get in or is allowed entry into my Discord. It's not a thing where you can just, oh, the price is this, you pay and anybody gets in. I don't need the bread, so you can't just pay to get in there. It's really on an honor system. You get what I'm saying? So I got to have a feel for you before I allow you entry in there. And one of those ways, also, I got to know where your education level is. So that's what I'm saying. At least a minimum of 3 one-on-ones with the Bitcoin block bully before you can get access to the New Money Matrix Discord. Yep, yep. That being said, I'm gonna get up out of here. I appreciate everybody tuning in on YouTube with me. Check them after this live. Check what you talking to me, brother Riley? Peace. I sent. Oh, okay. They sending you a DM. Okay, they sending you a DM. Comprehension over compensation, definitely. Greetings. Asking for is that so posh? Post your donation link. Oh, they want that so posh donation link. We need to keep our energy in our Discord the way it is. Yep, facts. Yep. Email. My email is spc. Well, no, just follow me on IG. Follow me on IG. Chicago Crypto Block Bully. Chicago _ crypto _ block bully. Damn, somebody was just calling me. Hold on, let me see who that was. Oh, that was my homie Shaquille. You say you missed these sessions coffee and crypto? Yeah, so did I. That's why I came back and did it again. Group favorite auntie. That is the group favorite auntie, ain't it? I've been watching on YouTube and couldn't comment, bro. But tell them June is locked in for burn learn. Oh, yep. It's locked in for the burn learn and earns. We locked in June. Damn, that's salty, y'all. It just erased. Hold on, I hope that come right back in. Damn, I can mute that. That's bogey. It just erased my whole video on IG. My phone died. Well. Happens. I'm about to get up out of here, family. Go find me a nice little vegan breakfast somewhere around here. See what I can come up on. I'll be in contact. Until the next one. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. I'm gone. Oh no, I have my own Patreon page. I had a Bitcoin Patreon page. Amber Abdullah. I had a Bitcoin Patreon page. That's how I started the Discord. My Discord is the Patreon. It's like Patreon. Come to Discord. That's where you want to be, but you got to do 3 classes with me. So, with that being said, until the next one, peace, power, and prosperity, family. I'm gone.